Hey folks, Jeff Eubanks here on our barn tour. I'm at a barn not very far from my house. It's not that old. It was built in my lifetime, but it's a prime example of what happens if you don't take care of a barn. It was a super barn at one time, and it is in failing condition, to say the least. So I'm gonna walk you around it and just see what does happen. I'm being very careful too. Okay, so this is the backside where the livestock stalls were. As you can see, the roof is collapsing. It has deteriorated since the last time I was here. This wasn't present, and that looks to be fairly new damage up there. And there's some type of hay feeder, I would say. The man that built this moved, and the barn had just kind of sat here. I think the property has since been sold. So come around here to the, like I said, it was a nice barn. But by the size of these trees, you can see it's got some age on it. Been here for a while. A couple of cattle panels all in disarray. Hey, the door's open. The door is open. Look at there. But yeah, the roof is shot. I don't understand. I do not understand. It's got a concrete floor in it, whole 9 yards. Nice barn at one time, but it's just gone downhill. I said, people not living here. Well, like I said, we understand that the property has sold, and now it's just it's not worth. Well, I'm not gonna say it's not worth nothing. There's some of it still in real good shape. It could be fixed. It could definitely be fixed. And that old mower there. Yep. Like I said, it's here around the house. I haven't gone way away to find this. So yeah, that's just what was a super nice barn at one time is now just deteriorating. But like I said, I understand it has been sold, so maybe whoever gets it will, or whoever got it, will come in here and breathe new life back in this barn while there's still something to breathe into. The overall structure looks to be good. Just the roof is gone. And it's probably like that because of all the leaves and so forth that have just laid on the roof. With all the pine needles and so forth, like it. Of course, they have disconnected the power from it now because the power was hooked up to it the last time I was here. I didn't think that was a very good idea. But concrete slab, whole 9 yards. It had gutters on it. It was a nice barn. I'll go back over on the back side and show you one thing. I saw as I was walking in, that pine tree right there, that you can make a 2x4 out of that thing. Let me go here, get a better picture, better shot, what do you call it, better view. Going up the hill, walking the Green Mile, walking the Green Mile. Inside that pine tree, wavy gravy. It's dead. It's dead. That's what all these limbs down here for. All these limbs are from that big old pine tree. I was trying to get up here to show you the roof. Yeah. See all that pine straw on the roof? That's what killed that barn. All the pine straw and leaves just hanging out there, causing it to rot. So there you have it. Another barn find. Like and subscribe. Jeff Eubanks. Eubanks Family Homestead. Sharing the barn life.